Guys, finally meron ng fixing and setting spray in one, and this is from Colorette Cosmetics. So this is the Super Base Everyday Setting and Fixing Spray. So this is a lightweight, alcohol-free setting spray na may ultra set technology na pwede mag-last up to 24 hours. And dahil papasok ako ngayon sa school, i-wear test natin ito kung ilang oras ba talaga siya maglalas. And lalo na, I have oily skin, kaya tingnan natin kung mag-work talaga siya sa akin. So, kakauwi ko lang sa apartment galing sa school and ito yung makeup ko ngayon. And hindi rin ako nag-retouch buong araw. Pero makita mo talaga na hulas proof yung fixing and setting spray. Kaya as an oily skin girly, this is 10 out of 10.